Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another great product. We are a full-time RVer, so this is an awesome product. I love them when they send me products I can use. It's a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. Today's product is a sewer line holder. So when you're a full-time RVer, or if you're an RVer, you already know this, but if you're a future RVer, you might want to know this. You want your sewer pipe to be held. It'll roll around all around the ground. You kind of want it at a declining angle towards the sewer line so that it will evenly flow to the sewer pipe. And it's just important to have it held, and you want it to be noticeable so people don't trip over it. It happens. People trip over it all the time. I trip over mine all the time. So it's good to have a sewer pipe holder, in short. So let's open this up. I have one now. It's not long enough. So this one, we're just going to add to the length of the one I already have. So that'll be good. Or maybe this will be longer. I'm not certain. So already love this because it has a strap to hold it and pack it. So I'm going to say this probably already wins the competition with the one I currently have because I don't have this strap. I will also say I love this. If you can see this, it has, let me see if I can bring you in here a little bit. It has delineated, it already has a slope to it, which I really love that. The one I have is not nearly as delineated like that, where it has a slope, a natural slope to it. Love this product already. I love the little snappy belt for when you're packing up, because these things expand like an accordion. And if you don't have it strapped up, it's like an accordion in your wherever you store it, and it just flops all over the place. So the strap, really nice. So the only thing we have left is let's move this out there and put it under our sewer pipe. Very simple to deploy. You just come over here to where your sewer pipe is at its highest, and you stick your sewer pipe in it, like so, and you just move this out. So as you can see, that one ends up being plenty long and works great, keeps it up off the ground. Love it. Love, love, love. Go out and get your sewer pipe holder.